Hello? Hello, hello, hello. Can y'all hear me? Can you hear me? I think y'all can hear me. What's going on, everybody? I'm gonna tell you what, Thursday. Uh, so as y'all can see, is my forex process, not process, but progress. And well, like in the last video, I lost big, I lost huge. Right, so y'all saw that. Um, but I came again to show y'all another one. And I guess without further ado, I'll keep this kind of brief and go over what I saw and what I thought was gonna happen. Um, and we'll go from there. Now, as y'all can see, I'm on Trader's Way again, and as you can see, I got in a trade for US DJPY. I'm profitable right now, right? I'm making some money on it, but just to quickly go over what I saw, what made me take the trade, confident in it. So you guys, you see, yeah, with everything right now, the last few months, last year, and everything is, the dollar has been, to the, to the skies above, on the yen. I think it's the Japanese yen, going all the way up there, capping out. But for me personally, from what I understand from America's market and stuff like that. Now I haven't read on the news what's all going on in Japan, but I do know again, we the U.S. Saying the Fed raised the interest rate. I think they said 0.75. I think they said that was one of the largest in the largest decades or whatnot. And then yesterday, the Fed, they spoke with Congress, right? Powell, I can't remember his first name, but Powell, he spoke with Congress and a lot of the senators in the banking committee go over stuff. And uh, yeah, I mean, that's just a little bit of news if y'all wanted to look up some stuff. You know what I'm saying? Understand, understand a little bit. Just read news. You know what I'm saying? Stay up there, stay up to date. Our economy is damn near crashing right now. We might be in a recession. Listen to one, trader. He firmly believes, what I'm saying, we gonna go in a recession. I don't know what a recession is. I have to look it up. The difference between a recession and depression. But regardless, um I personally and believe in the long run, probably towards the end of the year, I personally believe the dollar's gonna fall, or at least in the next coming year, the dollar's gonna fall. Now with because they raised inflation. No, I learned. Now I don't know this complete. You know what I'm saying? I'm not the best. And I'm just telling y'all what I've heard. Um, the dollar, the strength of the dollar is gonna go up with the inflation and everything like that, right? But again, me personally, I believe the dollar is gonna crash. Is or there's gonna be some heavy pullback, like a retest. But with that being said, again, I'm on a monthly. Now I'll show y'all why on a monthly. I like to get a good scope of stuff. Let me check. Yeah, okay. So hopefully y'all can see my stuff. So I'm gonna go back. So again, remember when I saying that USD is hitting record highs, like it hasn't been this high. And if you look back, literally in 20 plus years. And what's interesting, I'm gonna turn this off. If you look at this like you looking at say a quit well, not say liquidity, but if you're looking at it's record highs, so it's going to test, maybe I believe it's going to test it. But look right there, right here. um it topped out, and then right here in 98 it topped out before crashing. Now a little bit of historical context, I believe, and again, if anybody watches, just confirm it for me, I'll confirm it myself. But I believe in the 1998-ish area, I think Japan itself was going through an economic crisis. I believe. So this would understand. Oh no, that um no, that wouldn't be the reason it dropped. It'd probably be the reason it spiked. I believe it was going through an economic crisis, and then it kind of it got a little bit resolved. But regardless, it popped topped up there. But this next, if you look at it, if you do like a so this is the area of interest, I would say. Um, to that right there. And if you draw a box right there, if you look at it, it's like right damn near right on the money. I'm inaccurate to a little bit, but it's almost it's like right there before it's start pulling back. So it can um so it's capping out right there. So I believe it's gonna fall to at the very minimum retest. Not retest, but I guess get his no damn, I forgot what they say it falls. I keep forgetting. I'm sorry, y'all. I think it's the retest or the get his grounding or whatnot. But it hit that. I don't think it's gonna go any higher. I think it's gonna fall. Now I got the RSI right here. The RSI says to it's almost overvalued. But y'all don't have to. I'm not about to. That's just to help. It's not a rule. It's just to help. So, but again, for the monthly, it's still an uptrend. So a lot of traders say go with the trend. Which again, I am a terrible trader. Make sure y'all understand this. Look at my balance. My balance is $34, and I already showed y'all I lost huge. Right, that 10, that 3, that 5. Right after I put 50 in. So I'm again, don't take no advice from me. I'm just telling y'all from what I've learned from my fuck ups. More likely still fucking up. But at the current moment, I got $7 from yesterday. But it's going up. But again, as you can see, it's maybe slowing down. But again, no guarantee there. At 130, like it top was 136.7. I believe it's gonna pull down. Um, it, and then it's from the weekly. On the daily. For me, that was an M forming right there. Kind of look weird, but it's like a weird M. Whatnot. But it went high. Now this is the higher low though. So again, it could still just pop right there and then rebound. But I set my stop loss right there so I can at least catch like it's like at least like $5 if this all go to hell. But right now it's going down. A good test area is probably going to be if it doesn't if I understand it correctly, break a structure. Here, this would be the break a structure. Um, or just see, I believe it's gonna keep going down generally. From the daily, throughout the rest of the week, if that makes sense. I mean, it's Thursday, so tomorrow I believe it's still gonna be going down. But if not, again, take profit and go from there. Same on a 4 hour. Uh, for now, for the being it. So this is this right here. Um, for me, I would say is an area of interest because um, think it acted as resistance. Got there. Let me zoom out. Think that's resistance. Then went down and tried to go up. It went up above it a little bit. It went up above and topped them out. Right. It topped them out here. So we'll be looking forward to go. A lot of people will be looking forward to go up. but I see I still believe it's going down. Um, there's a sign it's going down for me. Now again, it could be just pulling back a little bit so that it can keep going above. But for right now, for me, that shows me it's going down. Let me see what the pattern right there look like. Alright. And then I go on a 1 hour. That's tanking. Oh wow, so it did go below it. So on the 1 hour, we're in a downtrend. We're in a downtrend right now as far as the 4 hour. I mean not the 4 hour, but the 1 hour real time trend. So it's probably gonna uh it'll probably pull back. I mean pull back up, uh, go back up. More than likely, it's probably gonna go past that stop loss right there and um test that area. But then we go into 15. 15 still looking like it's going down, but you never know because this is a big drawdown, right? And um, for me, you can see a double forming 1, 2, 3 there. But you can also see that M. Um, so there's just some options you got. Uh, Again, it topped out right here, like right to this area right here. And before going down, it's probably going to test it out again. If anything, I wouldn't be surprised, right? Am I still talking? Am I still talking? Uh, Still talking? Yeah, I'm still talking. Um, it can go up to about say right here, this level right here. So it could probably take those up to this area. Before potentially pulling back down, or it could just stop right there, um, and go down. See what? My headphones powered off. So we'll be looking again. It's looking like it's going up, but then let me check you check the 1 minute, right? That W right there. Um, um, on the 1 minute, it's definitely going up. We'll see how it goes. It's probably going to go past this one. So in terms of the 1 minute, if I understand liquidity, and I will see. Um, understand a little bit about liquidity, right? Um, I wouldn't be surprised if this went up, because again, I still believe it's going to go down. I believe it's going to keep going down. I believe it's just going up a little bit to test some areas. And this is a range anyways. Um, it's a range. I think of it like this, like that's just straight right there, and then I believe it's like big moves, big moves. I think we'll look at it like that, somewhere like that. It may be right here because of this move. Um, because of this move right here. So something like that because it's up there, and we're gonna test. But I believe once it gets um uh this is the resistance line right here. for me because it's topped out. It's hit this place multiple times. Like, so it was like right. Like, see, okay, so like right here, and then right here, and then right here, then right here, then went up, but it went above it. It went above this. It closed above this, so I believe it may keep going up. And at the in terms of the 1 minute, it may test that area in my humble opinion before it go down, or it may just go down from there. But I believe it's gonna go past that. Yeah, I believe. And the low for this, um, probably all this these tops is probably liquidity, so it took them out. Um, uh, that's probably not what liquidity is. But in this area, so the low was 134. So it may we'll see if it touches that 134 area before going back down. So that's my prediction. Um like I said, so far I'm in a positive for one of my trades, so I'm let me share it again. So once this one come out, right? I'll be one of four, right? So uh best of luck to you guys in your Forex journey, and I'll see y'all later.